Welcome, man. Welcome back, man. Again, like I say, I'm on a 10-hour test drive, and I'm doing some Q&A videos. So these videos are strictly answering questions off my Facebook page. So I got this question, and again, I say this all the time. I have refrained from using the name because I've been known to jack them up. So the question is, JT, my AC do not work. My mechanic told me I had a full charge, but AC still not working. Now, all right, let's get into this because this can get complicated. Because a full charge, I'm not sure what tools he's using to verify that it has a full charge, or if he went from empty to the proper amount, which is about 1.1 pounds of Freon, I think, in the PT Cruiser. So I'm not sure if he went that route. In other words, I'm not sure if the system is properly full, but I'm gonna take her word for it because she left some of that. She left a good important parts of the question out. So I'm going to go off of assumption. I'm gonna assume that her AC system is full and properly full. You know, meaning he did a vacuum on it. You know, try to get most of the moisture out and went in with the proper amount of Freon. So we're going off of that assumption. Now let's get back to the question. You full, properly full, and your AC still not working. Now your mechanic, and I'm gonna say this as nicely possible. Okay, I'm not gonna do it that way. But let's do it this way. There's a couple other things you need to verify, because there's a couple other things that play a major part in cooling your AC cooling. You know, other than a full amount of Freon. Number one, this is PT Cruiser canal, so I'm gonna automatically assume, or I'm gonna automatically go straight to your fan, cooling fan. Your fan plays a major role in your AC cooling. That fan job is to pull air through that condenser to lower that pressure and allow proper cooling. So a couple things you're gonna need to check. And one, now you didn't mention if your car is overheating, because a lot of people don't even. A bad fan, or a fan that's not properly running, may not show up in the form of overheating, because a lot of people drive on the freeway or on the expressway. And remember what I told you in one of my old videos, at that point you don't even need a cooling fan, because ram air is blowing through your radiator and your condenser. So a fan don't even come into play if you're doing a lot of highway freeway driving. So don't go by that. Just sit there at idle and see if your fan working. So here's what I would do. I'm trying to make this quick. Here's what I would do. I would turn my AC on. There's a pressure range, I think, that this fan come on anyway, but it shouldn't be long. After you turn the AC on, you know, verify that the button on your AC switch is blue, or not blue. This car has levelers. So turn into the blue section. That will automatically activate your compressor. Now, if that high side pressure reading gets too high, your compressor will automatically turn off, because you have a protection device there to prevent compressor operation in the event of high pressure. That's where your condenser come in at, and your condenser fan. The fan has to lower that pressure in the form of turning on. It turns on and lower the pressure and allow your car to properly cool. So I'm getting off topic, but what I would check is, what I would verify is if your fan working. Like I say, turn your AC on, go out there and verify if your fan working. If it's not, then you got that problem to deal with. So you're never gonna get cooling AC with a fan not working. So I would verify that. Now I'm going off assumption, so I'm gonna stop there. Since my assumption led me to believe that you're properly full with Freon. So verify that your fan working. If it is, then you got other problems. So ask the question a different way next time, or because this video I'm trying to keep them under 3 minutes. So, and 3 minutes had took its toll on the fan alone. So had you said my AC not working and my fan working, yeah, I could have talked about other things. But for right now, because we're constrained with time, I'm gonna stop here on check your fan. Now, if you have another question, just get back online and ask it a different way, as far as my AC not working and my fan is working, and then we'll go from there. All right, I don't want to be a butthead or nothing like that, but I'm trying to keep the videos low. So But it was a good question. Thanks for the question, and I hope that helps. Verify. It's easy, simple. Open your hood, turn your AC on, go out there and see if you hear and can visually see that the fan running. Then you go from there. All right, thanks for the question, man. It's a good question. And I'll see y'all on the next video.